HTC One is a series of Android and Windows Phone smartphones designed and manufactured by HTC. All products in the One series were designed to be touchscreen-based and slate-sized, and to initially run the Android mobile operating system with the HTC Sense graphical user interface. From 2010 to 2013, all HTC products starting from the HTC Sensation XE to the HTC One Mini were equipped with a Beats audio equalizer. Later HTC devices beginning with the HTC One Max no longer ship with Beats audio following the buyback of HTC's stake in Beats Electronics. 2012 lineup. While critically acclaimed, the 2012 One series had not received much consumer attention and sales were disappointing. For One, HTC has been outspent on marketing by Samsung and Apple, as HTC instead had relied heavily on carriers to promote its products. Also, while HTC made many carrier-specific devices, Samsung and Apple were able to concentrate their resources on single flagship handsets such as the Samsung Galaxy S3 and iPhone 4S to make them big hits. Lastly, while HTC handsets were seen as better quality than Samsung's plastic devices, Samsung was able to successfully distinguish itself from other Android manufacturers with manufacturer-specific software tweaks while HTC could not. The devices released in 2012 consist of the following, with devices in similar price segments usually sold by different carriers: HTC One V, a low-end smartphone; HTC One SV, a mid-range smartphone, basically a weaker variant of the HTC One S with LTE added; HTC One VX, a mid-range smartphone, considered a cheaper alternative to the flagship HTC One X; HTC One S, a mid-high-end smartphone, the Japanese variant, HTC J, many of the same specifications as the One S, but has a larger battery and runs on Wii Max. HTC One X, a high-end smartphone, an LTE variant of the HTC One X with the same name is sold in North America, with a dual-core processor instead of quad-core. HTC One XL, an LTE variant of the One X available outside of North America. HTC One X Plus, a high-end phone which has a faster clock Tegra 3 processor, larger battery and more memory than the HTC One X. HTC Evo 4G LTE, another North American variant exclusive to Sprint Nextel. HTC Butterfly. HTC Droid DNA, the successor to the HTC J, 2013 lineup. The 2013 One series was reduced to focus on only 3 versions of one main design. 3 devices had been announced as of October 2013, the HTC One in February 2013, the One Mini in July 2013, and the One Max in October 2013. Following the previous year's setbacks, the HTC One was critically acclaimed for its design, and was commercially successful. 2013 HTC One, the HTC One X's successor. It won the Best New Mobile Handset, Device or Tablet at Mobile World Congress 2013. HTC One Mini, the smaller variant of the HTC One with a 4.3 inches screen; HTC One Max, the larger variant of the HTC One with a 5.9 screen and a fingerprint scanner. 2014 lineup. HTC One, the 2013 HTC One successor. There are 2 versions of this device, one running Android 4.4.2 and another running Windows Phone 8.1 Update 1, HTC One Mini 2, the HTC One Mini's successor. Comparison. This table is primarily intended to show the differences between the models of the One series. References.